Hey guys, it's Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know our final verdict if this air fryer is worth it. Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven Overview. The Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven has a large cooking capacity of 26 quarts, allowing you to cook different meals simultaneously. It also has 21 presets that are easily accessible and only need to be pressed to cook in a way that you need. The air fryer also has a digital French door system that automatically opens the doors with a hand pull. Another amazing feature of this air fryer oven is its 9-in-1 accessory that lets you cook different types of food at the same time. Additionally, this air fryer oven has an automatic 3-minute cool-down cycle and auto shut-off that immediately stops the heat when the doors of this oven are opened. This feature prevents unnecessary burns or accidents when cooking with the oven. What we liked: has several presets that only need to be touched for cooking to happen. Big enough to prepare a large quantity of food. Cooks fast compared to other ovens. It has 9 appliances in one oven that other different types of cooking at once. What we didn't like: not convenient for cooking small quantities of food. Features: high accessories and appliances in one. The Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven has 9 high-functioning accessories in one that offer different types of cooking. The rack handle, the bacon tray, an air frying basket, a crumb tray. As accessories, you can perform different cooking activities, including frying, baking, roasting, grilling, broiling, dehydrating, and roistering. Large cooking capacity. With the Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven, you can cook large quantities of food at once because it has a large capacity of 26 quarts. This makes cooking easier and faster if you have large quantities of food. This oven can fit a 12-inch pizza and a 14-pound turkey. Long-term durability. This appliance is designed with stainless steel, prone to discoloration, making it easier to clean and longer lasting. It is durable due to its sturdy material. Who is the Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven best suited for? The Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven is suited for someone with a huge family or who cooks large quantities of food. Verdict: should you get the Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven? The Kalorik Maxx Digital Air Fryer Oven is worth every penny because it has a super fast cooking speed. It also has different accessories to cook different meals simultaneously, making it exceptional. Thanks for watching.